Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about RANKX function. This is the third video in this video series, so please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on what I'm talking on today's video. Let's go to the Power BI desktop, there you can understand the demo. So for timing, already I have prepared a report for today's demo purpose. So let me explain each step. So what I have done here. So before getting to the details, so these are the tables I have imported from the data source: category and customer, date, geography, internet sales, and product sales territory subcategory. So even if you go to the model tab, so we can see the relationship we have established between these tables. Okay, so I have established a relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. Now we'll go to the report tab. So here, so what I have done here, each product wise I am displaying the ranking. For example, so each product wise in descending order I want to displaying the ranking. So for example, road is 50, black 52, so this product performing the more number of sales, that is the reason we got the rank 1. So for the second product, so second more number of sales, that is the reason we have the rank 2. Likewise, whatever the product getting the more number of sales in descending order, we are showing the rankings. Okay, here if we so I'll try to show the what kind of measures I have created for this rank 1 2. Okay, so let's try to zoom it so that we can see clearly. Here RANKX, so by using I have declared a variable within this RANKX. So I have given the product name column, total sales, based on the total sales in descending order. So we are displaying the ranking. So here, if the total sales any blank value, so I want to display the blank. If there is no blank, means I want to display the rank sales. Okay, so here also for rank underscore 2 also same thing, same whatever the done in rank underscore 1, same thing, except here we can see that dense, but when it comes to rank underscore 1, skip. So what do you mean that? So I'll try to show that in a minute. So here if we observe here for 19, here we have the same number of sales for these two products. For these two products we have same number of sales, so that is the reason we have the same ranking 19 19 19. I'll try to snake the snipping so we can highlight something here. For these two products we have the same number of sales, so that is the reason we got the 19, here also 19th, same ranking. But when it comes to rank underscore 1, so after the next we have 21. When it comes to rank underscore 2, we have 20. So it means in first one we are skipping the rank. When it comes to rank underscore 1, we are dense. So I'll try to show that one more time, the measure rank underscore 1. So we are skipping the rank. Okay, because we have the duplicates, that is the reason. So 19, so 19 19, when it comes to next product we got the 21, but here we are not skipping, we are just dense the rank. So it means it will give the next rank. Here it's dense, it means it gives the next rank even though we had the duplicates. So that is the reason we have seen the difference here 19th, even though we have the duplicate sales for these two products, so we are getting the same ranking for these two products. After that, for the one measure we got the 21, for the second measure we got the 20, because we have used the dense and skip. Okay, for example, in case if I filter the data based on 2001, what kind of, see here also we can see here 16, 16, 15, 15, and also here itself we can see, and also for 2002 same 17, 17, right? And also if we scroll down we can see the ranking, so each product wise, so number of sales for year 2002. When it comes to 2003 we can see that for 2004 we can see that. So like sometimes even though same different products having the same number of sales, so in that case we need to show the whether you want to skip the rank, whether you want to dense the rank, so we need to be do the change based on the requirement. Okay, now I will go to the different page, there I will try to show the different example. So here, so I want to see the top 10 product sales. Okay, I want to see the top 10 product sales each year wise. For example, in 2001 I want to see the top 10 sales, top 10 product sales. In 2002 I want to see the top 10 product sales. Okay, so here I will try to show. So for that I have created rank 3, rank 4 and rank 5 3 measures. I'll try to explain why I have created different measures for this page report and all. Okay, so in rank underscore I'll try to show what I have written the DAX expression. In rank underscore 3 here, so rank X all selected and dense skip. So basically, so it gives the ranking based on the descending order. If any duplicates are there, it will skip the rank, it gives the next ranking. Okay, if rank sales less than or equal to 10, I mean whatever the ranking we are getting, if it is less than or equal to 10, then it will give the ranks, otherwise it will show the blank. So that is the reason up to 10 it will give the rankings, after that it gives the blank values, because we have the specifying if condition that if the ranks are less than or equal to 10, give the ranks, otherwise give the blank value. Okay, for the rank 4 also, so here also instead of specifying the ranks I want to see the sales, so I have specified the total sales measure, so that is the reason we are getting the total sales instead of the ranking. Okay, here also instead of ranking I have specified the total sales, that is the reason we are seeing the total sales in this measure. So now I have taken separate table. Here I'll try to show each year wise I want to see the top 10. For example, in 2000 what are the top 10 products? So mountain bikes, different kind of products here, road bikes and mountain silver something. So based on the year wise I want to see the top 10 products. For example, 2002, so road bikes in 2002. In 2003, road 750s black 48, so this product having more number of sales. In 2004 also likewise we can display the dynamically, so based on requirement sometimes we want to show the year wise the top 10 products, top 5 products, so there are chances to display the requirement. And also if you notice clearly here the total number of sales, it's not correct, this top 10 product total sum is not correct, because it's summation of the entire products in 2004. In 2001 also 4090. Okay, so this is the entire sum, not top 10 sum. So for that how to correct this measure, so for that I have created another measure to get the correct total value for this top 10 products under 2001 year. Okay, go to the rank 5 here, so I'll try to explain. Here I have declared a variable, here we are getting the ranks, under that I am specifying if the rank sales, so what are the variable I have declared, if it is less than or equal to 10, display the total sales, otherwise blank. Okay, so after that I am returning if has one value. If any one value in this product name column, display the sales. Okay, it will execute this one. If there is no value, it means that if the total means calculate the top 10 product sales based on the descending order. Top 10 product sales based on the descending order. So for getting the total, we are returning this expression. Calculate total sales top 10, top n. So I'm displaying the top 10. So based on the product name wise, we are taking the top 10 sales. Okay. So if you write like this, then you'll get the correct number for total. So otherwise it will give the wrong number only. So for 2002, this is the correct value, this is not a correct value. This is overall entire this product name product sales under 2002 year, in 2003 also, in 2004 also. So likewise we can use the RANKX function as well as SumX top n buys to calculate the total sales. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email, drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.